Siema ziomeczki, my name is Albert and in this video we are going to proxy a model from some coding agent provider to another one, and to do so we are going to use CLI Proxy API. Please use it at your own risk because it may violate terms of service for any provider. Clone the CLI Proxy API repository. Open the repo in your code editor. Copy the config. Remember the API key. And run docker compose. Beware that we are going to always pull the latest image. Login into provider. I'm using Gwen, but you can use any other supported provider. Type the alias. View available models with an API call. Configure coding agent. I'm using Droid. The model will be used with OpenAI as a provider. Run coding agent and choose exposed model. And there, we successfully proxied a Gwen model without running a single Gwen instance.